Bay. Beautiful beach. We can't see the beach from here, but it's just a picnic area. It's a very popular park. Uh-oh! Look what we found.
The birds.
The birds are what? Tired? There we go. And over there in the distance there is the sea. I don't think you can see it. No. Can you see any sea through there? You look hard enough, you should be able to.
First stand still in one place.
You're waving over here. Oh, well, I've got another one. There's Humphrey, everybody. There's his hat. Hold on, there's his face. Yeah, this is Happy Bear, there's Becky and Megan. Hold on. Uh-oh, bless him. Oh, I've been trying to avoid. I hope he doesn't get what he's got. I've got the medicine if he does. Oh, it's alright. Let's go look back at Humphrey there.
We're going to go stand up by the window.
Yeah, okay. I'll try and get what I can of him, but I can't get a lot. There's Matthew, get the bird's eye view. Becky's head. There's Megan. Humphrey's head. Hello, darling. Have you got it now? You got it now, haven't you?
It's crawling.
There he is. Let's get him crawling. Now he's going to sit on his bum. Now he's going to get the hat.
Go put the hat on Daniel.
Go put Daniel's hat on him, Matthew. Good boy.
Go put the hat on Daniel.
Get a dummy out your mouth, Daniel. And Matthew.
Matthew's not himself.
No. Matthew. Whoops. Saw someone come through.
Oh! Daniel just
Where'd that
smushed
go?
the hat.
Daniel, you're making me go out of focus here. Oh, what have you done? A great big crack in it. Uh-oh. Daniel. Hey, Daniel.
Daniel!
Daniel, hello. What have you done?
Get that dummy.
What have you done? Get dummy out of your mouth. Where's Matthew? Where are we now then? We're at the rocks. Walking through the rocks. I know, up there. That's the Gazunder. You go that way, you goes under the Harbour Bridge. Then we pan around here.
Becky.
We have a few more sites. Oh, look at that. There's the Opera House. It's a good view, isn't it? And I feel like I'm getting rained on. I'll just pan around here. And here's the family. Look, Russell's here with us today. Jackie, Becky, and Matthew. Becky! Go on then, keep going because it feels like it might rain. Better get under some kind of cover. There's the market. Hold on. Hi. No, you're not high enough. Come further forward. Higher. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, very good. Supporting it. Watch out! Strain your muscle. Touch your sky. Russell, go on in here. Oh, this is Russell. Oh, Mr. Happy Tourist. He likes to be a bit obscure.
We're having a good day. Me and Julie are arguing incessantly.
Can't argue. You're just not agreeing with me. As usual. Okay. Look at that. That over there is something else. Sydney too. Yeah, lovely, isn't it? Not a very nice day, of course. Oh, what's that? This is the Harbour Bridge. Not very clear day. And there's the Opera House. And there's Julie and Russell, and we're going to that market over there. See what goodies they've got. Turn around again, Opera House. And Harbour Bridge, and we just walked from all the way over there. Around there, can't really see. Hello. Are you standing up? Hello. Daniel. Hello. Oh, gorgeous boy. Let's get over here. Matthew.
Let's look out to Julie.
Matthew. Hey. Hi, Becky. Where are we? We're under the Opera House, aren't we? We are. This is the Opera House snack shop.
Boat over there.
What boat? Over where? Which one?
Bounty.
The Bounty? Oh yeah, there she is, bless her. We're still zooming in. It's as far in as we can get. Oh. There's the old galleon. We won't go on that one because you have to row it.
Uh-oh.
We'll go on another one. There's a little boat next to us. Here we go.
Let's leave it on now.
Yeah.
Getting ready to work the
Hey!
up.
Hello! Hello!
You got your ladies.
Hiya!
Yes. Wave down to Julie, then.
Bye! Wave bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Hi! He's had double gin today for lunch. And he's practicing walking in a straight line.
Look, wave hi.
Hi! The Harbour Bridge in the background, look at that. Now where's the Opera House? Oh look, yeah, and the Opera House right next to it. See, where is it? Even I can't lose that. Look at all those stairs. We didn't go up there, needless to say. No, we didn't. We're going to head here to this craft market. So some of you guys watching may be getting gifts from here. Some of you may not. Hey! Hey! Quick, take a picture of Daniel this way. Yeah, wait a minute. It's been fun. Some really interesting footage of Jackie Packet. Here we go, look. What's going in there, Jack? Marijuana.
No. Don't think so.
And we've all got coughs like that. Here we go, they've got to go in. That's got to go in. All that's got to go in. All that's got to go in. No, not the heater. Then round here. Oh no, I better not go around there.
What?
Everyone to get a sneak preview. Won't do that. Okay.
I've just got breakable stuff that I don't want to break, you know?
Right, don't break the
This is
stuff
for
that's
Don and
breakable.
Amanda, this is for Marsha, for grandmother,
She's remembered you all.
Kim.
Kim.
Here's oh, you can see through that one. This one here is for Brandy and Karina,
What?
but they know what they're getting anyway.
You can see through that one.
Battery.
Yeah. That's cruel.
What?
Hey, put some air holes in it.
Oh, shut up. There's their holes in it.
They can't breathe.
This is my little treat.
Hmm?
This is Dave's birthday present.
Where's your little treat? Oh, that's right. That was from that diamond shop, wasn't it? We went to with the jewels.
Yeah. 2 carats, wasn't it?
Something like that. Bloody great rock, that one.
Help!
Where am I going to put it all? Big puzzle, this one. 1, 2. There's only 2 of the suitcases. The other 3 are out in the kitchen. Okay. I'm going to go make up a coffee now. We'll come back to this in about an hour and a half.
And it still look like this.
In to do anything, you know what I mean? We're always out, always out. Apart from in the mornings. Anyway, that's where we eat. That's the garden setting. Because we can't afford the real thing. Huh? Oh yeah, I'll just put the lights on. Hold on. Garden setting. This is the family room. Oh yeah, wall paint. Oh no, not wallpaper. Paint and decor. Whoops, I've just trotted in the suitcase. And come around here, there's pictures. It's a bit difficult to get the whole perspective, you know. In there's toilet and bathroom. Won't go in there. Not a pretty sight. Might find someone on the throne. And down there is where I've just come from. I'll just go back to the other corner where I just showed you where all the tables were. That opens it out a bit now. There we go. We just had a bloody great huntsman run across the floor a minute ago. Spider. Spider. Did tell him already. That's the blind. So right in the corner now. Got to see all that case over there? It's full of presents. I won't zoom in because you'll get sneak previews. Okay. Doesn't look very full. Well, there's Mug's gallery, so you can spot yourself. Dave. There you go. Jackie tells me she's going to get back into that dress by your next anniversary. Okay. Now if you go through that gap there, that takes you to the front door where the bag's at. That is of course the kitchen. Every kitchen. Oh, I don't believe it again. Just spent the whole time recording on pause, if you know what I mean. With that nice tidy kitchen that, you know, every kitchen should look like, if you know what I mean. Doesn't look lived in otherwise, does it? There we go, look at that. So actually, it's actually a game. It's one of those games that, the memory game. Shut your eyes in a minute. I'll take something away and see if you can guess what it was. Okay. Okay, right. Can you know? Okay, we're just going in and see Russell, master of the heist, relax in his reclining position. I've got to come back in here because I missed. I was on pause before. Stop watching that porno stuff now.
As he prepared for the stunt. Jason left England in 1990 to make a documentary on base jumping.
We've got Matthew here asleep and he's not well at all.
Slipped off the Harbour Bridge from a pylon
sleeping down at the moment.
and then from
do
the
that all
top of
the
the
flight tomorrow.
arch.
Police
Police have informed his family in Northern England of the tragedy, also
Cyclone just
trying to
passed
find
through.
a friend who witnessed yesterday's fatal jump. Damien Bryan, 10 News.
Yoo-hoo.
When we come back, superstar Michael Jackson missing, presumed hiding, and time to say goodbye to an Aboriginal dancer.
What you been watching, Bippy?
You've been here once.
Tomorrow night on Hinch, John Buck
Yeah, but I was on pause.
and John Paul Young.
Trying to record on pause.
You try to record on pause.
Didn't work. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi to everybody.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye to everybody.
Just like a circus dog, isn't he? I get into bed,
Don't
ball
talk
on
to me
his
about
nose.
dogs.
Dog pooed on our lawn today. The neighbour's dog. Not very keen on that one. It's not on our lawn. Did you put it on Dave's lawn? You didn't? You stuck it on his driveway?
No, it's on his lawn.
I reckon he might have seen that. We'll go out here. This is our way through this door here. Takes us to the lounge dining room. Just put the light in a minute. Hang on. Whoops. There goes the thing. Hang on. Put the light on. That's in here. This is the dining room. It's got all the laundry on the table. Doesn't look like this always, honest. Okay, it's the light fitting and all that. Da, da, da. That's the laundry through there. Won't take you into the laundry. That's a disaster area. We better put the light on in here. This is the lounge. And over here. There you go, lounge. Oh Lord, your doggy dee dee.